Hi, this is Shengyi Koh. Welcome to my YouTube channel again. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you have to subscribe today because it's my birthday today. So it's a birthday request. Subscribe to my channel and then help me to hit to 1,000 subscribers. I think that's the first goal that we need to hit. And we are now in RUMA Hotel. It's a really nice place here. Me and Zia, my wife, is going to do this unboxing for our airdior today.
Yeah.
We need to feel a bit excited because it's airdior.
Yes! Yay!
Alright. Okay, so this is a really special shoe.
Yep.
Probably this is the pair that we will wear during Sneakerla this year, but I'm so sad. I'm so sad about this news. So now, today, it is my birthday and I feel like it is the right time to put these on feet. So will you do that with me today? So I got my airdior in July. Actually, July is Xia's birthday, but it's really hard to get a pair of US6 airdior because it's Kylie Jenner size. The price is super expensive, but now I have to get one for her because this is her wedding present. Your wedding present.
Wedding present?
Where's my wedding present?
Me lor. I want to see. Give me. This box I have to open.
I hope you love this a lot. So this video we are going to unboxing this pair of shoes together, and if you haven't watched my first airdior unboxing, you can go back to the previous episode and have a look. That is me alone doing this, and today we'll do this together. So I will be like interviewing you because this is your new shoe. Congratulations! Okay, so let's do the unboxing. Alright?
So where do we start? Open the box?
Open the box.
Okay.
Step 1, open the box. Alright. Step 2.
Step 2.
Step 2 what?
Step 2 I have this.
Oh. Yep. Shoe bag.
Yep. Airdior shoe bag.
So, step 3, take out the shoes.
I've not reached there yet.
You are slow. So this is the airdior, Nike airdior high, and the other one is ta-da! What is your first impression about this shoe? Yeah, remember when I passed you the shoe after our wedding? Because I tried really hard to get it for our wedding so that we can wear together, but because of the shipping, it delayed for a few days, so I passed to her after a few days. So, what do you think about the shoe?
What do I think about the shoe?
Yeah.
I think it's more than just a pair of shoe. So I think when you pass it to me, I don't know what to feel about how expensive this shoe is the first time when we got it.
Yeah.
But I think I can actually accept it when it's actually a present because it has extra meanings towards it. I'm someone that if I were to buy something that is really expensive like this, it got to have a special meaning on it. Otherwise, I just don't feel it.
So which means we have to find reason to buy something. So
correct.
So and I found a valid reason because for us, wedding is a very important thing. So that is the valid reason. So for all guys out there, if you want to buy something, you need some valid reason for your wife to know. So the life hack is if you want to buy more sneakers, you have to buy a pair for your another half as well. That is the past for you to get more sneakers in the future, because this is an investment that you can do it for yourself, because in the long run, if you buy your another half more shoes, and then they will approve every shoes that you want to buy in the future. Is that it?
No.
Tell me more about this. Like, what is the favorite part of this shoe?
What's the favorite part about this shoe?
Which part of the shoe like really made you like wow?
I think the whole packaging of this shoe. I mean, like, it's not just the packaging. I mean, it's from the packaging it really wow me. From the quality of the box, because I know I have a lot of pair of AP1, but none of it has a box like this. Yeah, and definitely the feeling of the shoe.
The feeling of the shoe, and
yeah,
it's really premium.
Yeah, the feeling of the shoe. Everything in the shoe box is different.
And this, I think,
just very
for me, this is really like, I will wear this. Wear the shoe with this later. This is the extra insole thing. And every pair of shoes have the unique code.
Yeah.
Like TZIA'S pair is 3915.
Correct.
Out of 8005, and my pair is really meaningful to have this, our favorite number, which is your birthday. 0774, so 4th of July is TZIA'S birthday, so it's really meaningful to get a pair with the number.
So that's the first reason that he got that pair.
Yep. Like,
he said, I got to get this because it's our favorite number.
Yep. And that's how you spend a lot of money. Well, I love this premium insole. Like, Shengyi Koh, this is our 16th episode, my 16th episode. He's working very hard for every episode. So you should subscribe to our channel to give him some support. And follow him on Instagram. I love when, this is my first Dior thing in my life.
Yeah.
And Dior changed a lot after Kim Jones joined them like a few years ago. So I am normally an LV person, and then this is my first Dior thing. And I really want to say thank you, dear, because of this Dior airdior thing, and then you bought me this. Oh, this is the extra unboxing section. Unboxing my Dior saddlebag. This is my birthday present. And this is the birthday present that I buy for myself, consider.
Well, you got a lot of reasons.
Yeah, a lot. I always find reason to buy things.
I don't know.
So last year I bought myself a watch, and this year I bought myself a shoes, and next year, stay tuned. Follow my Instagram, follow my everything to see what I buy. What will I buy for myself? So shout out to a few of my friends. I probably can't bring all the presents here, so this is what I have now. So this is a pair that is LV by Virgil sneakers. Thank you to our friend Peng Jun and Shuing for this.
This one.
Yeah,
nice.
this is the.
I really love this.
This is really nice, and I really love this pair. Thank you so much. And this color is really matched really well with my black outfit. Love it. Air Force One, our favorite silhouette. Thank you to Koya for this. It's kind of special because it's like a custom made kind of shoes. So, woo! It's the happy shoes. You draw it yourself, right? You paint it yourself. So, yeah, and this is like quite cool. Quite cool though. Thank you for this happy shoes. I think TZIA like colors like this, like candy and all. So let me see. I think this is the best pair during Halloween.
Halloween? Like why Halloween?
Like
no?
trick or treat
No.
kind of thing? Or what? Easter colorway.
How is this an Easter colorway?
Yeah, so
Moving on.
can you explain what is this?
This is
What is this?
but it is neon.
Thank you to Koya and your friend for making this happen. This is from my friend Eric. Thank you. What I want to show is this
Wow.
Jordan 1 keychain. Wow, it's really nice, and this really matched with my the shirt that I bought.
Yep.
I know what you want to do. You want to wear it. It's not yours. It's mine. So this is nice.
I help you.
And then Karate. So shout out to Kahat Malaysia. They are going to have their new store in Pavilion very soon, by end of this year. Kahat is one of my favorite brand that I really love their cutting and all their jackets. So like I always wear everything from
This is
Kahat.
nice.
Yeah, this is really nice to pair with my jacket. Alright, thank you for birthday present. Now we are going to...
Can we buy it yet?
Yeah, that's what I'm going to say. So now we are going to wear them on feet, and then we just walk around RUMA Hotel. Shout out to RUMA Hotel. It's not sponsored, but it's really nice place that I think all of you here, you probably heard of some other hotel brands that is really famous. At this RUMA is really underrated.
And it feels like RUMA.
Yeah, I think the concept of RUMA is like RUMA in Malaysia language, in Malay.
It's like if we
RUMA
were to
house.
look outside, it's all like high-rise building, you know. But this room itself, it feels like we are home.
Yep, and the thing is, I'm not sure is it just during this period you are able to check in anytime and check out.
This is actually one of their hotel features that you are able to check in anytime and check out.
Yep.
And you can actually check out as late as 8 p.m. the next day.
Yeah, this is like you are paying for one night and you can stay to 8 p.m. next day, and this is like wow, I really love this place, and thank you so much for bringing me here. And let's put these on feet and then we will tour you around RUMA. My god, yes! Alright! Wow! Wear your shoe! Wear your shoe! Yeah, yeah! Yeah, yeah! So I just want to do a quick tour around RUMA Hotel, and this is the lounge and then the pool. I think it's not available to swim now, and with the city view, pretty cool.
Go there.
Yep. So this is where me and my friends having dinner tonight at my favorite restaurant of all time, ORIBE. So this is my favorite chef of all time. Chef Now, can you say hi?
Hi, hello, thank you very much. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you. Thank you for watching my YouTube video again and again. Happy birthday to myself. It's my 31st birthday, and I feel really appreciate all my friends, all my followers, all my subscribers who always supporting me, and all my mentors. Shout out to them. I can't mention all of them for always inspiring me, and my team always supporting me. My family members always love me a lot. So thank you very much for everything, and see you guys again next week. Bye.